And we got at 11 p.m. the last.
It's already 11 p.m. Why are you still here when you're doing
video?
No! You can understand what I'm talking about. Would you mind me to speak in Ilocano?
No,
you understand what I'm talking about?
I cannot understand Ilocano. I'm sorry, Iran.
Hey, Charlotte, would you mind translate in English? Okay. Ano ka bugaw kay Aldaw?
Yes, it's a bugaw. Good afternoon.
Lunch na naman. Lunch. We go to the vegan and we go eat some the dinner the lunch.
I'm sorry.
And
Already speaking English, but I cannot understand. I cannot try and
Napakang nag-lunch, JB. God. And then
they want to vegan to
Have lunch.
Have lunch.
Okay.
And we go home at 4.
They went home 4 p.m. 4 p.m.
Kabugao man.
At Kabugao.
And we drink some beers there.
Beer, what beer?
Red Hot.
The beer.
Red Hot.
Red Hot.
And
That's
That I can understand.
the time
Time is
already 8. We go to the 9. We go.
You got it, okay. Stop the conversation. Okay.
Just tell a story about you went to Singapore, right?
Yeah. That I want to know.
Yeah.
You want
Yes,
to know
please.
Okay, I'll just ask questions.
What did you tell? Would you mind to...
When you write.
Wait.
Wait.
Balbayang mo itong tulid.